Hey guys, you're watching Lightning Rock, and in this Perler Bead tutorial, I'll be showing you how to make this extremely cute Minecraft baby zombie from Perler Beads. I got inspired by a short video by QDENC, which I liked. I will leave the link to the video in the description, so you'll be able to see where this little guy came from. The colors you'll be needing for this project are light gray, black, lavender, dark purple, forest green, turquoise, green, bright green, glow-in-the-dark, and mini beads dark gray. I made sure to lay them out in front of you because there are many shades of green. The first part of the zombie we're going to be making is the front of his face. As you can see, there is a glow-in-the-dark mask right in the middle. It glows really coolly in the dark. Now this is the side of the hand. As you can see, at the front of each piece, there are these two glow-in-the-dark beads. These are there to complete the mask. Now this is the top and the bottom of the zombie's head. As you can see on the right, there's a piece with 2x2 holes. That is at the bottom. That'll connect to the body. And on the left is the piece without the hole. And this is the last piece of the head, which is the back. Now these are really optional, but I think they look really cute. These are the eyebrows. Make sure to make them from mini beads. Otherwise, they're going to be way too big. Now that we've finished them, it's time to put the head together. Once you've made these set of pieces and iron them, it's time to put them all together. So as you can see, this front panel, it has these eyebrows that move. These little pins, as you can see right here, which stick all the way through, are pretty hard to put in. So I recommend, if you want, take some mini beads, make a line of 4, and then just glue them on into the position you want. Like, for example, this is the angry version, and this is more of the cute version. Now, we're going to take the front of the face and the side, and we're just going to put it right here. And we're going to repeat the step on the other side as well. Like so. Now, we're going to take the top of the head, which is this piece right here, without the hole in the middle, and we're just going to put it in like so. And we're going to take the back, and of course, just stick it in the back. And then we're going to take the bottom, and we're going to put it in. And now, the head of our zombie is complete. Once you've put the head of our baby zombie together, it's time to assemble its body. As you can see on the left piece, there is a 2x4 dark purple piece. And on the right, it's a 1x4 dark purple strip. The thin strip is the front, and the thick 2x4 is the back. Now these are the side panels. Now that it's ironed, it's time for the next pieces. This is the bottom of his feet. I suppose the zombies wear shoes, so that's why it's gray. Now, we're assembling the top connectors, which will connect the neck to the main body of our baby zombie. And now that it's complete, it's time to put the body together. Now that you've made all the pieces required to put the body, it's time to assemble. So first we're going to take the back. It's with this 4x2, 2x4 dark purple bead strip. And the front is this 1x4. So first we're just going to take the front as well as this piece, and we're going to put it in, making sure that this one bead dark purple is aligning with the one bead strip of dark purple at the front, like so. And we're just going to repeat the step on the other side, like so. Now we're just going to take the back and we're just going to stick it on, like so. Like this. Now, we're going to take the bottom And of course, we're just gonna put it in the bottom. And then we're gonna take the top pieces and making sure that these double beads are facing out, we're gonna put them into right here and into the same spot over here. Now the body of our baby zombie is finished. Now we're almost at the end of building our baby zombie. These are the arms. Make sure to pause the video right now to copy down the template. And now we're going to be assembling the neck, which is just a 2x5 green piece. Once you've made the last set of pieces, which are the arms, it's time to simply put them together. So we're just going to take 2 of these arm pieces and we're just going to stick them in, line them up, and then we're just going to take the according color and put it into, for example, this blue bead. They're just going to go into the blue bead's hole, like here, and the same thing for the green beads, like so. Now we're going to take the exact same pieces and put them together again, and we're going to just repeat the step like so. Now the arms of our baby zombie are finished. Time to put the whole zombie together. So, once you've finished all of these pieces, it's time to put them all together. So now first we're going to take this skewer or toothpick and we're going to put it into right this hole over here. Like here. And then we're just going to want it to come out of the exact same hole on the other side. It might take a bit of fumbling, but you'll get there. Like so. Next, we're going to just attach the arms like this. So we're going to take this outer piece and we're going to put it onto here. You can do it one bead at a time. So you can just take it apart and you can do it like this. So you're going to need to put this toothpick through this hole and you can just slide on one piece and then slide on the other, completing one arm. Okay, so I gotta push it through, and now one arm is complete. Now we have to repeat it on the other side. So we're just gonna take it a bit apart, and we're gonna put it on like this. And then we're gonna just finish off the arms outside like so. Now the arms of our zombie are finished. Now we're just gonna take the head, flip it over. As you can see, there's a 2x2 hole. We're gonna align both of these green pieces and we're going to stick them in. Now we're gonna flip over the head and put it onto the zombie. Now the baby zombie is finished. I hope you guys enjoyed building this model. If you did, please leave a like, subscribe, and make sure to check out the video I will link in the description of where I got this zombie. Again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.